In this video, we show you how to make this super cute tree bunting, perfect to decorate any festive home.
For this Christmas tree bunting, you will either need our template, which is available on our website, or you can draw yourself a skinny tree with a square top rather than a point. For each tree, you will need a small piece of Christmas fabric and some red felt. These both measure 3.5 inches by 5.5 inches. You will also need a button, a few inches of baker's twine or ribbon, a cinnamon stick, stuffing, and a length of ribbon to hang your trees on. Take your template and lay it on the back of the fabric. Mark around the template using either a fabric marker or a pencil. Cut out your tree shape from the fabric. Lay your fabric right sides up on top of your felt. When sewing, we'll need to leave a gap at the bottom of the tree. The width of your finger should be big enough. Mark this on your fabric. Sew using a 1/4 inch seam allowance from one mark to the other, following the outline of the tree fabric. Make sure to sew across the square top. You will also need to reverse to secure your stitches when you start and stop. Turn your tree so you can see the reverse side, and using pinking shears, cut off the excess felt close to the stitch line, but make sure not to cut through your stitches. Now we are going to lightly stuff your tree. A pencil with an eraser on the end can be useful for this. Take a small piece of stuffing at a time and insert it into your tree. Once your tree is stuffed, you can use the pointed end of the pencil to distribute the stuffing evenly. Insert your cinnamon stick into the hole at the bottom of your tree. Depending on the size of your cinnamon stick, you may need to apply a small dot of glue to the stick to hold it in place. Now we need to attach our hanger and button. Join the ends together of your twine or ribbon and use a few hand stitches to secure it to the back of the tree. The button will be sewn onto the front of your tree. Now you've made one gorgeous tree, why not make 2? Or 3? Or as many as you like. Finally, take your ribbon and thread the trees on. Place them where you want them and hand stitch in place to stop them moving around.
The single trees make really cute door hangers or tree hangers, and you could even add a couple of drops of scented oil to make them smell great. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. If you're interested in learning how to make regular shape bunting, why not try the free online class available on our website?